I just saw that I show you one of the bots that I have. I have so many bots. But let me just show you one of them. I always do this to prepare my clients when they are buying the bot, so that when you want to buy, I can quickly refer you to my YouTube channel and you can check it out for yourself and decide on whether to buy or not. So that's what I do. Now I have a YouTube channel here, and it's Optimus Binary Traders. Kindly subscribe so that you can get clean content from this. Now this is a $30 account. I'm using this bot here. It trades on over 1. When it loses, it will trade on over 2. When it loses, it will switch to under 7, over 2, under 7, that sequence, in case of a loss, that is. And I'm using a stake of 0.35, and then expected profit. I just want to collect $5, but this bot has some other feature here, the maximum stake after losses. So it will stake up to $4. When the stake reaches $4 and it has not won, the bot will stop. Then there's also delay after loss. I've just set it to 5 seconds. Let's see how it goes. And so the instructions are all here. Yep. So let's go. So I'm trading on binary bot and a deriv. So let's go. I can even go for $1 and stop the bot, because when you have a small account, you only need a smaller percentage of the amount that the account can be able to hold. So the $30 account, if you can get $3, that's fine. There's no problem, because when you're trading, you're not competing with anyone, and that's your money. So there's decisions that you make that are personal. You don't need to compete with anyone to show how good you are in your trades and so forth. You don't need that. Just do what is favorable for you. For example, if you're going to trade in this manner and get $1 per session continuously, you find that your account is going to grow, and you will have nothing to regret. But with a small account, if you go for higher targets, you might regret. I also offer training sessions, one-on-one training sessions. So one-on-one, that means that we meet physically, we agree, we meet. I always meet clients. We meet, we do the training, I train you, and whichever bot you're going to choose on, you find that I'll be able also to guide you through so that you can maximize your profits also. So I have classes that I normally teach, both online and one-on-one sessions. So I charge a small fee. I'm the cheapest on the market because I want to help people to trade better. So you can always check out on me. The contacts will be in the description of this video, and let's do business. And I know you will like it. You will like it. So just remember, I always teach on also tips on how to trade safely using such accounts, such small accounts. I can always give you guidance on how you can maximize your profit using such accounts. So once you have me, no problem, you can always do business. And don't underestimate the power of a small account. This account is a very powerful account. You can get good money, and you will appreciate at the end of the day. I want to target $1, and I stop this bot. So $1, just one, full stop. That way I have 17 wins, no loss. And You can imagine if the stake was bigger, and you can just imagine if the stake was bigger than that. This means that this will be a lot of money. So this is how you trade on a small account. Don't force yourself. Don't compare yourself with people who have bigger accounts. I just did intention. This is a class account. I always use it for training, but I just decided to deposit some little cash there so that I can show you how you trade on a small account. Now also, you find that it also depends on the type of bot you are using. You need to understand, first of all, the contract types. You need to understand what are you trading, you see. So once you understand what you are trading, what you are going to get, the risks, because each and every trade type has its own risks. So it's always good to understand these things before you trade. So also, when you have a bot, it's not just a plug and play thing. You need to understand what is that bot, what's the function of that bot, why is it set so, what are the effects if you change the settings and so forth. So these are details that you are supposed to have at your fingertips. And I'm always cautious with sometimes I get clients and they buy bots from other places, and you find that they have scanty information about the bots. They don't know how to operate them. Now it makes me to chip in and help them now from scratch using those bots. I always offer that such kind of guidance, but make sure that you are very careful, because there's a video even I prepared here. You can just go check on my YouTube channel, this one. So red flags and precautions when buying binary bots. So this I've tried to explain. It's a long video, but patience is what all matters. You need to be patient and listen to that video, because if you don't listen, you will be scammed. Yeah, we live in a society whereby people are not trustworthy. They will only show you good things, but the bad things they are going to hide. So it's always good to understand these things. So make sure you visit this and go through it very, very well and understand what I'm talking about. So I offer very wonderful classes right away from what binary trade is. Okay, you need to understand what a binary bot is, money management, risk management, trading strategy, trading psychology. See, all these things. There are things that I won't put a video on this channel for that. So that's exclusively from my side, and this is the knowledge that I've acquired after quite a good period of time trading. And so you will just come and appreciate also the work that I've been doing. And I always love working with clients. We begin this journey together, and we do it together. So I follow up, and I make sure that you are doing well. That's what I've been doing, and I've been really busy. And I'm going to post also more of the videos on this channel over the same. So just expect more and more. There's also a system that I'm developing. That's why I've been away for a bit, but I'm working in the background to make sure that you get the right information, you get to benefit from trading, you love trading, you enjoy trading, and that is my target. So feel free to reach out to me. My contacts are I'll just put them in this video in the description. You can always reach out to me so that I can guide you properly. So bots are there, so many. This is just some of them that I've developed. Optimus, yeah. So just some of them. So these are my contacts. This is 0725072562 for those ones who are in Kenya. I also have a telecom number that has a business WhatsApp account. That is +254777. Then the others are 072562. So you can always call me or WhatsApp. So if you WhatsApp and you're not getting a faster response, just call me. But on Sundays I'm in church. Don't call. On Sundays I'm in church from morning to probably evening. So thank you so much. So maybe if you're interested with this bot, you want to make an order, you just where's the bot? Let me show you. It's okay, I'll put the name in the video description, also in the title of the bot, of the video, I mean. So don't worry, I'll provide this information to you. The bot was trading. Yeah, I got it. So this one, yeah, it's here. So it's trading on over 1, over 2, under 7, blah blah. I also develop custom bots. You have a trading idea and you want it implemented into a bot, that's my work. It's a snack for me. I will always do that job. So thank you so much. Let's build a community. This kindly, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. So if I do such trades, let me show you. If I do such trades, I just did that trade within a very short period of time. So this is 1327. Those are 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes. So in 3 minutes I have $1. So it's upon you to do the maths. If I'm going to do this for a longer period of time, you know that that's good money, right? So don't underestimate these small winnings. So if I do like maybe 5 sessions in an hour, I have $5. Then in an hour maybe I'm going to trade 10 hours and so forth. I have $50. And you know, you have the capability of making even more than that, $100. It depends with how eager you are to learn these things, and also how curious you are to make this money. But remember, no money is free. Each and everything you have to risk. You have to risk. So when you're trading, you are risking. In short, you are a risk taker. So don't trade if you're not ready to risk. Yeah, because there are always those warnings, the terms and conditions when you're creating an account, and it's good to follow them. Now, if you don't have a trading account, I'll drop a link in the description of this video. You can use that link to create your trading account, and I'll take you through every step. Thank you so much. My name is Wilson, the CEO of Optimus Binary Traders. God bless you so much and have a nice time. We shall meet next time. I'm going to drop more and more videos in the course of the week. So thank you. Adios.